Okay guys, this is January 19th, and because we've missed so much school and today's another snow day, we're going to go ahead and do a flipped lesson. Very easy. It has to do with your coloring that you did last week. Make this a little bit bigger so you can see the whole page. Okay, and you were supposed to have colored all these, and you're going to have to cut them out on the dark black lines all the way around, and I'll show you why. So they should look like this when you're done, all coloring and cut out. All right, make sure you can see that page. All right, so on page 14 in your Order of the Phoenix book, you're going to tape all these pages down, and we're going to take some notes underneath them. So what I've done is used this tape, which is double-sided tape for scrapbooking. You can see that. It's great because I just take it and I prime all of my pieces that I'm going to have to tape down, and then all I have to do is take off that adhesive backing and tape it down where I need it. So you might want to invest in that. It's really great for interactive notebooks. And I know you're doing one in reading now for Miss Leatherwood too. All right, so what we're going to do at the very top, we're going to put down our pencil, what is expository writing, since that's our unit that we have begun, although it doesn't feel like we've done much yet. But you are going through things in your reading class as well for expository writing. You're learning about text structures for expository or nonfiction. You're learning about author's purpose, main idea. All of those things you're going to be hearing about in English language arts as well. So don't think that you can learn it for reading and then forget, because you can't. Okay. Now, these are supposed to be in a square like that. Okay, so I just need to tape those down, and the line that you have, this dark black line right here, the second one, that's where you're going to bend, and that's where you flip it up. So I'm going to have to do mine a little bit differently, but that's okay. So let me just get that off the screen. All right, so I'm going to tape these down first. Oh, and look at that. I did a boo-boo because I shouldn't have done that. All right, so here we go. First one, definition. I'm going to follow the lines in my book as a guide, and then I'll just go up like this. And I'm not going to take that one off because I need to be able to flip it up with the definition. Silly me. All right, I'll do my example second. Just the left side. Come off of that. Okay. That. And like that. Good. And then I'll do my non-example. Oh, I think example is supposed to be on the bottom, but it really doesn't matter what order you have them in, as long as you have them all on the page, okay? See how they did that? Example is written right. That should go down here, so you guys might want to follow that. And then you won't be reading visual upside down like I will be. But like I said, it really doesn't matter, just so long as you have all the pieces and the notes underneath. Okay, now that I have those all taped down, I can write my notes. So the first thing that we're going to write is the definition of expository. writing. I'm just going to write it on my line right here. Expository writing gives information about a topic. Its purpose, I'm going to put a semicolon here. Its purpose is to inform, explain, what, I'm just going to say report, or report what you think about a topic, what you know or think about a topic. Now notice I did not put persuade because that is persuasive writing or argument writing. We're talking about expository. And as examples for expository, under examples, I'm going to write a list of what we would find expository writing, where we would find it. We would find them in newspaper articles, magazines, I should say magazine articles, textbooks, we would find them in manuals like how to drive a car, or, and that's an A, manuals, how-to instructions, like recipes. All recipes are expository text. We would find reports, and essays can be expository as well. Let me think. Magazine articles, textbooks, manuals, how-to, reports, essays. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, but we might add to that later. All right, non-examples are things that expository writing is not. So this is going to be things like expository writing is not fiction. So it is not short stories. It is not a poem. It is not a play. And it's not a novel either. Now, over here, I want you to put at the top here, non-fiction. That is what it is. Non-fiction. I'm going to underline that. And expository can be biographies, autobiographies, and we're going to add internet articles. I'm also going to add over here encyclopedias. I might have spelled that wrong. I don't think I did, but I might have. All right, now under visual, which I did upside down, because that's how bright I am. I think being off for 3 days and the snow days has made me lose brain cells. Under visual, we're going to draw a picture of what expository writing means to me. So for me, it means I'm going to draw a like a newspaper over here. Okay. I'm going to draw, I'm going to say New York Times, and I'm going to like have fake writing on it, and maybe a picture of a person, stick person, and then more writing. Okay, so this is information that goes into my brain, where I'm going to draw my brain on the outside of my head here. This is the brain. So information is processed in my brain. The brain. Okay? And then we have my hair right here. And the information goes into my brain. Yeah. And then I'm going to take that information and I'm going to process it out into a report. I'm going to say sources by the paper, and I'm going to say results from me. So that's really what you're doing, is you are taking information that you read from different sources, all these areas, processing that information, synthesizing it, putting it together in new ways, and then you in turn take that information that you've processed and you've synthesized and you're working it out in new ways, connecting it to other things, and you produce something with that information. And that's really what we're wanting to do in our nonfiction unit, our expository unit. All right, so that is it for the expository. What is expository notes? I'm going to turn to my table of contents here, and I'm going to write what is expository writing on the table of contents next to number 14. The next couple of weeks we're going to be using this really heavily, and I might have another flip video for you tomorrow on sentence structure notes, and we'll see how that one goes. Okay, so give me some feedback on this video. Let me know how it worked and how long it took you. Probably won't take you, 10 minutes to put this thing together. Have a great day, and we'll see you on Monday. Bye.